Hi everyone, my name is Wong Kun Sang. This is my group member. Now my group and I gonna present the outline for the uses of water, starting by Yeo Jin Han.
Okay. Let's proceed with our general purpose. Our general purpose is to inform, while our specific purpose is to inform an audience about the uses of water. Central idea is about the two uses of water. While the main point is the first uses of water in irrigation, and the second one is the uses of water to generate electricity. Okay, let's begin with Roman 1. It will be the first use of water in irrigation. Okay, the first use of water will be the topic sentence, and irrigation will be the controlling ideas. And the capital A will be the supporting material for the topic sentence. Meanwhile, because it also have a subtopic 1, so at the same time, this capital 1 also acts as a topic sentence and is supported by the number 1. Okay, let's proceed. The capital B. The capital B is also the supporting material for the Roman 1, but at the same time, it also has a subtopic 1 and 2. So it also acts as a topic sentence, which irrigation will be the topic idea, and the water spent approximately 50% will be the controlling ideas for these two. And this capital B also supported by 1 and 2. This is according to the credible resources. This one is a statistic. Then I shall proceed with my next partner. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue the rest of the point. For the subpoint C, we are talking about the intensity of irrigation needed for a country depends on the climate. We have two small supporting material for it, so this C automatically it become a topic sentence with the controlling idea is needed for a country depends on its climate. So this is talking about the Southern European and the Central and West Europe country require the different intensity of irrigation. And we are talking about the intensity of irrigation depends on the climate, which maybe the dry summer. For the next point, we are talking about the irrigation. Better quality, of course, can be harvested. We provide expert testimony, which is Travis Smith, a superintendent of St. Louis Valley. It's a place at US, which is high altitude with cold night terror. It's very suitable to grow the crop, but due to a harsh environment, it makes it impossible to grow the crop. So by the help of irrigation, the crop now able to grow. We come to the last sub-point for the first main point. We are talking about the sources for irrigation will be natural resources and the alternative sources. This will provide the example, like natural resources, we have rainwater and surface water such as lake and river, while the alternative sources will be the reuse of municipal wastewater and drainage water. We are going to the main point 2, and I pass to Tombewa.
Okay, now it's my turn. I'm going to explain about starting with the main point 2. Okay, this main point 2 can act as a topic sentence while supported by a supporting sentence. The topic sentence have a controlling idea of generate electricity, and this supporting sentence supported by the reservoir is used to generate hydroelectricity. So at the same time, the capital A can act as a topic sentence because it has a subpoint number 1 and then number 2 and another slide. The subpoint 1 supported by the reservoir is released through turbine to generate electricity. So at the same time, this number 1 can act as a topic sentence which has two supporting sentences A and B. So these two supporting sentences from reliable sources, U.S. Geology Survey website, which the number 8 support by stated that how the hydro turbine function by converting the energy of falling water into flow of electron called electricity, and the B is the how the hydraulic turbine works. Okay, next slide. This is the diagram of how the hydroelectric dam works. Next. This is the water turbine that is diagram. Okay. Now come to the subpoint 2 that support the reservoir. Number 2, reservoir have been used in many countries to generate hydroelectricity. This can act as a topic sentence which have a topic idea, reservoir, and a controlling idea many countries, which have 2 supporting sentences, which is from reliable sources. According to the special report on renewable energy source and climate change mitigation, SRREM, and the second one is discussed about the 10 major producers of hydroelectricity of the country. This is the statistic of a pie chart, how about the hydroelectricity. Next. Okay, now I pass to my last group member to discuss about the seawater is used to generate tidal energy.
Hi everyone, I will explain about the capital letter B. The capital letter B will be our second main point. The capital letter B, the capital letter B, the capital letter B is a sentence which the topic idea is seawater and its controlling idea is tidal energy. So the numbering A shows that we provided an article published by this university to show that how the rise and fall of the tides can convert the potential energy to another energy which is kinetic energy. And it causes the turbine to rotate and thus generate the electricity. So I will move to the number 2. The number 2 will be the supporting sentence for capital letter B. A, we have provided the supporting materials reliable source, which is from the website Renewable Energy Development, to show that the French was the first country that used tidal power plants, followed by these many countries as shown arrow here. So here we provided the diagram, the picture as shown here. And this is the table to show the tidal power plants. And due to we have seen that many countries. I will move to the last point, which is numbering 3. The numbering A show that have an reliable source, which is organization, to show that how the planet is able to absorb the energy of sea levels and convert it into the electricity by the motion of the sea waves. And finally, it sent to the electric grid. That's all for my point. Thank you.
Okay, that's the reference we use to prepare our presentation. Notice that we are using the topical order. Our topic is talking about the uses of water, and we provide the main point talking about what is the uses of the water. So it will be the topic and we make some subtopic for it. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.